Everyone, this video is on combining like terms with rational coefficients. So what you have to do here is you have to just look at the problem that they give you and combine together the like terms. So anything that has a d can go together, anything that doesn't have a d can go together. So in this case, the minus 2d, 2.8d, and the positive 2.8d can cancel. So this problem is really then just 3.4 minus 1.3. So 3.4 minus 1.3 3.4 minus 1.3 gives us 2.1. So our answer here is 2.1. Alright, so same situation. The things that have the t can go together. So 5.1t, so 5.1t minus 1.9t. And then you can also do the negative 3.6 plus the 1.2. So this would be 5.1 minus 1.9. 5.1 minus 1.9 is 3.2. So this is 3.2t. Keep the letter t. And then we're going to do negative 3.6 plus 1.2. So 3.6 negative plus 1.2 is negative 2.4. So that equals negative 2.4. So minus 2.4. All right, for this one you got to be, it's a little bit harder. So you have to first distribute. Okay, so this is going to be 6 times 1/2 with w, and then it's going to be positive 6 times negative 3/4. So 2 can go into 6 3 times. That becomes a 1. So then 3 times 1 is 3 with w. Positive times a negative is a negative. And then we can simplify the 6 and the 4. So divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we have 3 times 3, which is 9 over 2. So that can now become 3w minus 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. So again, we need to combine like terms, so we combine the k's together. So we have 0.25k minus k, and then we have 1.5 minus 3.5. So 0.25 minus, if there's no number, that's really a 1. So 0.25 minus a 1 is negative 0.75, negative 0.75k, and then 1.5 minus 3.5 is negative 2. So our answer is negative 0.75k minus 2. I was going to try to do a few more assignments, but it appears that they have changed Khan Academy that I can't redo the assignment. Oh, there we go. I have to click on the name. All right, so this is 20 times negative 1.5. So 20 times negative 1.5 R plus 20 times 0.75. 20 times 1.5 negative is negative 30. So this is going to be negative 30 R plus 20 times 0.75 is 15. So the answer is negative 30R plus 15. All right, so this one a little bit harder. You have to distribute the 3. So this negative 3 has to get multiplied into each of these. So that means this is 1/7, and then it's going to be a negative times a positive is a negative. So really this is negative 3 times 3/7n. I'll write it this way, I guess, first. And then it's negative 3 times negative 2/7. So we have 1/7. A negative times a positive is a negative. 3 times 3 is 9/7n. And then a negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. 3 times 2 is 6/7. And then you can combine your 1/7 with your 6/7 to get 7/7, which is equal to 1. So that means this would be 1 minus, and then we have 9/7, and then we have the letter n still, because this and this became a 1, and you still have the minus 9/7n. Okay, combining like terms again. So we got to combine the k with the k. So that means this is going to be 2/5 k plus 1/10 k. This would then have to get multiplied by 2 and 2. It's a parenthesis. So that means that's now 4/10 k plus 1/10 k, which would give you 5/10 k, or 1/2 k. So we're going to have 1/2 k, and then we still have the minus 3/5. So minus 3/5. Okay, for this one, we need to multiply the negative 1/2. So negative 1/2 times negative 3y, and then negative 1/2 times 10. So negative times a negative is a positive. 1 times 3 is 3/2y. That's the same as 1.5y. If you do 3 divided by 2, minus half of 10 is 5. So that means this would be 1.5y minus 5. So that was 8 problems. Hopefully that helped you with combining like terms with rational coefficients.